Welcome. In today's video, we'll learn how to stop WhatsApp Web from accessing your location on your PC, especially after the recent update that changed some of the privacy settings. If you use WhatsApp Web frequently, this guide will help you keep your location private in just a few quick steps. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your browser and make sure you're logged in. You'll want to focus on the address bar at the top of your screen, right next to the website link. Look carefully beside the web address. You'll see a small lock or an icon depending on your browser. Click on it. A small menu will appear with a few options about the site. From there, click on View Site Information. This opens a drop-down that shows you specific controls for the site's permissions. Next, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you into your browser's site settings where you can manage exactly what WhatsApp Web can or cannot do. Scroll down or look for the Permissions section. Now, under Permissions, find the option labeled More Settings Permissions and click on it. This will show you a list of all the features that WhatsApp Web might request access to: camera, microphone, notifications, and of course, location. When you find location, look to the side and click on the menu next to it. You'll see options like Allow, Ask Every Time, or Block. Choose Block. That's it. Your location is now completely restricted from WhatsApp Web. Once you do this, you won't have to worry about your PC sharing your location data while using the web version. It's a small tweak, but it makes a big difference in protecting your privacy online. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and remember, staying informed is the best way to stay secure.